We're ready. We've got it lined up, I think. It's about there. A little bit of glue on. Quite sure that's on centre. Oh, there we go, that's the bit I'm after. Just wants cleaning up, which we'll do next. Okay, I've got the bit in there reversed. I'm just going to run this countersink in, just to break that edge, take that burr off. Take a file on that edge. Wobbly. That should do. So that's the part I want. I need to clean them burrs off, which that should do that on the wire wheel, shouldn't it? Let's see how that'll go in there. It's a bit wobbly. I think we'll have to put the wire wheel on that, clean them burrs. Then cut a couple of bits of key stock. Get that done. Okay. I'll get that done. Got that done. Say hello to the new addition to the family. This is Bingo. Go on then. So yeah, there you go. That's that done. Fits nicely on there. And on there, it's just very, very slightly over the 1.5 that it's needed, but that's the way I want it, because I want that sitting a little bit proud when it's on there. I could take a bit more off here I suppose, but I want to give it a run like that first. I think that's how it should be. I've just got to make up a little space that go on there to stop that one drifting on the end. I can do that. But there you go. But some of you may wonder, why have I made up a stepped? Why don't I just bore that out the same as I've bored them out? Some others of you might be super alert and realise that these aren't quite the gears I'm after. Let me see if I can find. Right, this here is the 16 DP. This is module 1.5 or 1.5. That's what the 1.5 there is for. And if you try and work out the diametral pitch for this, it comes out closer to a 17 DP than a 16. Some of them fall in the high 16 numbers, and some of them will fall just over into the low, very, very, very low 17. But they will mesh, and for what I'm doing, I'm quite happy to go along with these for the small amount of screw cutting I'll ever be doing. It's not a production or industrial environment, it's just me in my workshop messing about. And hopefully sometime in the future, hopefully not too far away, I will get the lower gears from, I've got 50, I've actually got a 40 here, and that is in the 1.5. So I've got a 40, but I need to get the bore, so I've got to put a reducer in there, because that's sort of about 1 inch at the moment, and I want it 3/4 obviously. So I can do that. So yeah, hopefully I can get the other ones like 45, 35, 30, 25, 20. So hopefully, well, I've got a 20 there, but I didn't want to drill that out, because if I can find the there it is. Balance all them there. This is the 20 DP gear. And as you can see, and where did I put my other 21 down? Not there. I just had it, didn't I? What did I do with it? I put it over there. Silly me. Now then, you can see there's a difference in the overall diameter. So these ones are slightly smaller than them. So I didn't want to bore that out. As you can see there, that's getting quite close to the edge where I filed that out. And that would be even worse, so I didn't want to do that. So there's the reason why that was done that way. That will fit That one's a bit tight on there, but I'd still do a 20 and a 20. I want to reduce that down a bit. That's not quite going on with that key. Yeah, I think I'll take that down a bit more. But that's fine to get that one on. So anyway, there you go. I've just got to make up a few more spaces. I've got myself a tub here of bits and pieces for the change gears. I've got the stud. That's the 3/4 one. That'll stay as is. That's a thing for the end. I've got to remake that. That's the one that goes on the spindle that's on the lathe at the moment. This one on here. Now that's 1/2 inch at the moment, which is for that. But I've got to make it 10.5 mil to match that one. So that's got to be reduced in size. But I've got little spaces I've made up. They're all in there. So there we are. I suppose the next thing I'll show you is when I've got everything up and running, and we'll try a little bit of screw cane. I've got a little job I want to try, little project I want to do. So we'll have a look at that. See you then.